What if I told you there's a single tea that could transform your health from the inside out? Are you ready to discover nature's ultimate healing remedy? The ancient herb with modern miracles. Let me introduce you to rosemary, not just a kitchen herb, but a superhero of natural medicine. This isn't just another trendy health fad. We're talking about a plant with roots in ancient Roman healing practices, packed with scientific-backed health benefits. Do watch till the end, as you won't want to miss out on any of the amazing benefits of rosemary. And if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Blood sugar support. Rosemary tea shows promising potential for supporting healthy blood sugar levels. Research suggests it may help enhance insulin sensitivity and aid in glucose absorption, making it a beneficial addition to a balanced diet for those mindful of their blood sugar management. Number 2. Circulation enhancement. As a natural circulatory tonic, rosemary tea supports cardiovascular health by helping to maintain healthy blood vessel function and blood pressure levels. Its active compounds may assist in promoting efficient oxygen delivery throughout the body and supporting the natural removal of metabolic waste. Number 3. Digestive wellness. For digestive comfort, rosemary tea offers gentle yet effective support. It may help ease occasional bloating and digestive discomfort while promoting healthy gut function through its ability to support smooth muscle relaxation and natural bowel production. The herb also shows promise in nurturing beneficial gut bacteria. Number 4. Cognitive support. Rosemary tea's impact on cognitive function is particularly intriguing. Studies suggest it may help protect brain cells from oxidative stress while supporting memory and concentration. Regular consumption might help maintain mental clarity and contribute to overall cognitive wellness. Number 5. Natural anti-inflammatory properties. The anti-inflammatory compounds in rosemary tea may offer comfort for those experiencing minor joint and muscle discomfort. Its natural properties can provide gentle support for overall joint health and physical comfort. Number 6. Stress management. In today's fast-paced world, rosemary tea offers a calming ritual that may help promote relaxation. Regular consumption might support healthy stress response, encourage better sleep quality, and help maintain emotional balance naturally. Number 7. Immune system support. Rosemary's traditional use as an immune system supporter is backed by its antimicrobial properties. The tea may help strengthen the body's natural defenses against various challenges while providing antioxidant protection. Number 8. Liver health. Supporting liver function is another potential benefit of rosemary tea. It may help protect liver cells from oxidative stress while supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. This makes it a gentle ally for maintaining liver health. Number 9. Beauty and skin health. Rosemary tea's antioxidant properties extend to supporting skin health from within. Regular consumption may help maintain skin's natural healing processes and support overall skin vitality. The herb has also been traditionally used to promote healthy hair growth. 10. Eye health support. Emerging research suggests rosemary tea may play a role in supporting eye health. Its antioxidant properties might help protect against age-related eye conditions and support overall vision health, though more research is needed in this area. Incredible, right? Nature has given us the most powerful healing tool right under our noses. You may also wish to check out my other video on the benefits and uses of rosemary essential oil in the link above and down below. Which of these 10 reasons surprised you the most? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, do like and share this video so that more people will learn about the 10 reasons to drink rosemary tea daily. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of health tips for women, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.